안녕하세요. Jilyoung Kurt입니다. And today I'm going to teach you Korean greetings. So let's start with the basic one. Hi. Hi in Korean translates into 안녕. 안녕. And hello in Korean translates into 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. How are you in Korean translates into 어떻게 지내세요? 어떻게 지내세요? In response, I'm good, thank you, translates into Korean is 난 괜찮아, 고마워. 난 괜찮아, 고마워. So let's proceed with the good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So let's start with the good morning. Good morning in Korean translates into 준 아침이요, 준 아침이요, 준 아침이요. And good afternoon in Korean translates into 준 오후요, 준 오후요, 준 오후요. Good evening in Korean translates into 준 저녁이요, 준 저녁이요, 준 저녁이요. And that's it. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead. Bye bye. 사랑해 오빠.